hello, good day to everyone, and I'm back again for so many times because for today I'm going to discuss all about how to convert units of measure of time. So please stay tuned and keep on watching.
All right, so let us now proceed to measures of time. I have already discussed to you how to convert measures of length, mass or weight, volume and capacity, and temperature. Now, this time we are going to proceed to conversion of or measures of time. And what we're going to do is that, of course, we are going to convert measures of time, which includes elapsed time specifically, right? So, I have here different illustrations of clocks, wall clocks, and let's try to identify or determine the time displayed by the clock. Okay, ready, set, go. All right, what time is it? It's already 11:30. Next, how about this one? That's right, it's already 3:30. Next, okay, this one is 5:30. Next, okay, this one is 12 o'clock. This one is correct, 3 o'clock. How about this one? Right, it's already 7 o'clock. And what about this one? It's already 7:30. How about this one? Okay, that's 1:30. How about this one? That's right, it's already 9 o'clock. How about this one? Alright, that's 4, 5 o'clock. Okay, 5 o'clock. Yun yung yellow. Yun yung hour hand. Then, this one is right, 6:30. Okay? So, time has been already introduced to you since ever since you were not yet born. Okay? Meron na talagang time. The time when the universe, the earth is created back to those days when God created the heavens and the earth and everything around us. All right, so now let's describe time or define time. Time is one of the fundamental quantities of the physical world. It is a period during which an action or event occurs. So it does not only speaks of um, time or oras, hindi lang yon. It also involves the days, the weeks, the months, the years, decades, centuries, and um, time, everything. Okay? So, ito daw yung pinaka-importanteng quantity in the physical world because without time, we won't be able to know what time is it now or what time is it um, let's say for example what time is it that we are going to start with our class, what time are we going to end, when were you born, when was the time you were born, like that, and how old are you. Those things involve time at napaka-importante talaga na alam natin kung paano mag-convert ng oras. Kasi if we don't know how to convert units of time, then it will be really very hard for us to tell what time is. Parang ganon. Kaya nga, di ba sinabi, meron tayong kasabihan, meron tayong gasgas ng kasabihan that time is gold. What you can do now, you do it now. Huwag na nating hintayin yung bukas sa mga bagay na pwede naman nating magawa. Okay, relate natin sa totoong buhay. Okay, so if there are things that you need to accomplish, like those learning tasks that are assigned to you by your teacher, then you must accomplish it and comply with it so that you won't have problem kasi pag nagpatong-patong na sila, yung mga activities or quizzes or learning tasks, then you won't have enough time in order for you to answer all of those. Alright, so now, time does not only involve digital clocks or wristwatch or wall clock. It also involves calendar. Importante alam natin yung calendar kasi syempre kaya nga tayo nag-aabang ng birthday natin or any other important occasions kasi those all are physical world, mga bagay na meron dito sa mundo natin that involves time. Okay? Now, in converting time, units of measure of time, it is very important na alam natin tong converter natin na to. Okay, so let me tell it to you one at a time. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Ang 60 minutes daw ay katumbas ng 1 hour. Ang 24 oras ay katumbas ng 1 day. So, hindi 12 ha. Yung 12, kalahati lang yun ng isang araw. Kailangan para masabi nating isang araw, it must be 24 hours. Alam na natin to, 12 months, katumbas siya ng isang taon. Ang 365 days ay katumbas ng isang taon din. Okay? Ang 366 days ay one leap year. Okay? You may wonder, when does leap year happen? Leap year happens when February has 29 days. Usually kasi, February has only 28 days. If it so happened that it is 29 days, then that year has an excess of 1 day. The leap year yon. And then, ang 10 years natin ay one decade. I believe you're all grade 7 students and you've lived your life for 1 decade already. Okay? And 20 years ay katumbas ng 1 score. 100 years ay 1 century. 1,000 years ay 1 millennium. Okay, so importante na alam natin itong mga units na to because this will be our basis in computing and in converting units of measure of time. Dapat alam din natin pati kung smaller ba siya or larger unit. All those units that are found in the pink column are the smaller units, while all those units that are found in the yellow column are larger units. Like second. Ang seconds natin ay mas maliit na unit kung ikukumpara kay minute. Ang minute natin ay maliit na unit kung ikukumpara kay hour. Ang hours ay maliit na unit kung ikukumpara kay day. Ang months ay maliit na unit kung ikukumpara kay year. So sa pag-convert natin ng unit, kapag nagko-convert tayo from smaller to larger unit, the operation is to divide. What are you going to divide? Ito lang yung i-divide mo. Kung ano yung naandyan, yan lang i-divide mo. Okay? Take note ha. Kapag ka smaller to larger unit. While, kapag syempre ganun din dito sa kabila. Smaller to larger unit, the operation is still to divide. Okay? Now, if you are going to convert from a larger unit, year is a larger unit compared to days. Days is a smaller. If we are converting units of measure from larger unit to smaller units, the operation is to multiply. Ano ang multiply mo? Kung ano lang din yung number na nandyan na nakikita mo. Okay? So, that is how we are going to convert. Dito lang tayo iikot. However, dapat alam ninyo kung kailan kayo magpa-plus din pati kasi or magsa-subtract because we're going to have examples of elapsed time. Okay, so let's have the following examples, please. Do pay attention now, for this will be the flow of our discussion for today. Example, Joy recorded a song for 140 minutes. How many hours did she spend recording the song? Okay, in Tagalog, si Joy daw nag-record ng kanta ng 140 minutes. Okay? Ang tanong, ilang oras niyang ni-record ang kanta na yon? So, first, we have to take a look at back again to the converter that we have. It is, ang tanong dito ay how many hours did she spend recording the song? So, ibig sabihin, ang given natin ay 140 minutes at tinatanong tayo kung ilang oras. Hanapin lang natin sa converter natin ito, minutes and hours. Okay? So, if we are going to try to take a look at our converter, here is our minutes, 2 hours. Okay? So, 60 minutes daw ay katumbas ng 1 hour. Again, if we are going to try to convert from minutes to hours, ibig sabihin, kasi kanina tinatanong tayo kung ilang oras. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung pinapahanap sa atin na katumbas kung binigyan tayo ng 140 minutes. And again, if we are going to convert smaller unit to larger unit, the operation is that we are going to divide. Right? So, that is what we are going to do. Let's show our solution. Ito yung ating converter, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Ang gagawin lang natin, yung 140 natin na given kanina, i-divide lang natin siya by 60. Saan galing tong 60 na to? Galing lang to dito, sa converter natin. So, importante na dapat alam niyo yung table natin kanina, yung converter table natin kanina, or yung converter natin that alam niyo yun. Okay? So, you may just use a calculator directly. 140 divided by 60 is equal to 2.33 hours. So, this will be your answer. Or that 2.33 hours is just the same as 2 hours and 20 minutes. And how did this happen? Bakit naging 20 minutes? Ang nakalagay dito ay 0.33. Kasi ito, we use a calculator in dividing 140 by 60. So talaga 2.33 yon. Hindi ko sinasabing mali yon. That is correct. Saan ang galing tong 2 hours and 20 minutes na to? Okay? So let me explain. 140 divided by 60, we all know that by using a calculator, that is 2.33 hours. These 2 hours, okay, yung 2 hours na yan, saan yan nanggaling? Diyan yan nanggaling. Okay, walang question dyan. 2 hours. Eto yan. Okay, 2 hours. And that 2 hours, yung 2 na yan, i-times lang natin yan sa 60. Is equal to 120 minutes. Bakit ko siya tinimes sa 60? Kasi parang working backwards. Parang working backwards. Hanapin lang natin kung talagang 140 nga ba etong 2 hours and 20 minutes na to. So, etong 20 minutes na to, saan yan nanggaling? Yung 20 minutes yan yung tira sa 140 mo kapag binawasan mo ng 120 minutes. 140 minus 120, that is 20 minutes. So, therefore, yung 140 minutes natin kanina na katumbas ng 2.33 hours ay equal sa 2 hours din and 20 minutes. So, this is your answer. Tama rin naman to. If you write this answer, that's correct. If you write this answer, that is also correct. Sa activity nyo nga lang, dapat alam nyo kung paano mag-compute nito. Siyempre, gagamit lang kayo ng calculator nun. Alam nyo din kung paano dapat hahanapin to. So, dapat marunong kayong mag-convert. Okay? Now, let's have another example. Rain answered her entrance exam for 2 hours. How many minutes did it take her to finish the test? So, let's show our solution. But first, you have to take a look at our converter again. So, it has been said a while ago that si Rain daw ay nagsagot ng kanyang entrance exam sa loob ng 2 oras. Ang tanong ay, ilang minuto niyang sinagutan ang test? So, ang binigay ay oras, papunta ka sa minutes. Okay? So, asan ang converter natin dyan? Yung pa rin naman. Ito yung magiging basis natin sa pag-convert. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Kaya lang, ang pinapahanap sa atin ay kung ilang minuto ang iginugol ni Rain sa pagsagot ng kanyang test for 2 hours. So, ito yung given. Pabaliktad tayo ngayon. We are going to convert from a larger to a smaller unit, and it says that the operation is that you're going to multiply. So, let's multiply. let's show our solution. Our converter is 60 minutes, which is katumbas ng 1 hour. And sabi, magmumultiply tayo. So, we're going to have 2 times 60 is equal to 120 minutes. And this is already our final answer. Okay? So, may question ba? I think if you have a question, then you may just ask me during our synchronous class. Let's have another example. The play ended at 8:50 p.m. It was an hour and 20 minutes long. What time did the play start? So, let's translate this in Tagalog. Okay? So, may isang play daw na natapos siya ng 8:50 p.m. So, 8:50 ng gabi. It was an hour and 20 minutes long. So, yung haba ng play daw ay 1 oras at 20 minutes. Ang tanong dito, anong oras nagsimula yung play? So, bale, parang pabaligtad siya. Okay? So, kung pabaligtad siya, hahanapin natin ngayon kung anong oras nagsimula. So, this also involves time and dapat marunong tayong mag-convert. Okay? So, let's show our solution. 8:50 p.m. yung given. At ang sabi daw ay, hahanapin natin kung anong oras nagsimula. So, kung ang hinahanap natin ay yung simula, yung beginning, yung start, what we're going to do is that magma-minus tayo. Okay? Magma-minus tayo. Anong sabi daw? Gaano kahaba? Okay? Gaano kahaba daw? It was an hour and 20 minutes long. So, magbawas tayo dito ng 1 hour sa 8:50 p.m. natin. Pag nagbawas tayo dyan, ibig sabihin 7:50 p.m. yon. Okay? Kaya lang hindi pa tapos kasi 1 oras pa lang yung nabawas natin doon sa 8:50 natin. So, let's take 7:50 p.m. Bawasan pa natin to. Magbabawas pa tayo kasi ang inaalam natin ay kung anong oras nagsimula. So, bawasan pa natin to ng 20 minutes. Magbabawas tayo ng 20 minutes kasi yun ang sabi, diba? Yung haba ng play ay 1 hour and 20 minutes. So, magbawas tayo. This will be, you just copy the hour and then 50 minus 20, that is 30. So, therefore, nagsimula yung play at exactly 7:30 p.m. And that is your final answer. Okay, next. Let's have another example. The bus was scheduled to arrive at 5:10 p.m. However, it was delayed for 75 minutes due to traffic. What time was it when the bus arrived? So, in Tagalog, yung bus daw ay naka-schedule na darating ng 5:10 ng hapon. Pero, it was delayed. Medyo natagalan. Ibig sabihin, hindi agad siya nakarating ng 5:10 p.m. Okay? Kasi, dahil sa traffic. So, nagtagal siya ng 75 minutes along its way. What time was it when the bus arrived? So, anong oras nang dumating yung bus noong makalipas ang 75 minutes, 'di ba? Kasi natagalan siya. Dapat darating siya sa terminal ng 5:10 p.m. Kunwari sa terminal, darating siya sa terminal ng 5:10 p.m. pero dahil sa traffic, hindi agad siya nakarating. Inabot pa ng 75 minutes, na delay ng 75 minutes ang kanyang pagdating. Now, let's show our solution. 75 minutes. Kunin natin yung 75 minutes. Ito yung time na na-delay yung bus, 'di ba? 75 minutes is 60 minutes and 15 minutes. Tama? Sineparate ko yung 60 minutes kasi lagpas na to sa 1 oras. 'Di ba ang 1 oras natin ay 60 minutes? Kaya ko siya sineparate para makuha ko yung hour. Kasi kailangan ko makuha yung hour para maidagdag ko siya doon sa oras. Okay? Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is that etong 1 hour natin na to, etong 1 hour natin na to, at saka 15 minutes na to, yun ngayon yung idadagdag natin sa 5:10 p.m. natin para malaman natin kung anong oras dumating yung bus. Okay? So, you just add 1 hour to 5. You just add 15 minutes to 10. Okay, so that would be 6. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 15 plus 10 is 25. Ibig sabihin, dumating yung bus ng 6:25 p.m. Alright, so I hope you learned a lot in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next one. Bye-bye. God bless you. Mwah.